Hi friends, welcome to my channel. What is happening between Yüksel and Barış Baktaş? Are there proximity only friendship or more? Don't forget to watch our video to the end to learn. For weeks, fans realize that the bond between Yüksel and Barış Baktaş is strengthened. Following the divorce of Barış, which was widely announced to the public, Yağmur took part in him. He gave support and courage. So this is just a sign of a deep friendship, or are we witnessing the beginning of a new love story? Recently, the fact that the duo is more frequently seen that has led to speculation. Some sources claim that they are just good friends, while others believe that they are an undeniable chemistry. Viral, who attracted the attention of everyone, was to comfort Barış by saying that Yağmur is not the first to divorce Barış. This word was an expression that fans interpreted both supportive and cynical. Social media activities that fueled the fire attracted attention. They like each other's posts more than ever and comment. Could this be a sign that they imply something? Or the fans put too much meaning on their friends? What do you think of Yağmur and Barış? My close friends are something newly developing. You can share your thoughts with us on the subject.